Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just doing another unboxing video for the Ollie crate. This one's coming at you a little bit late. I had a little bit of a medical issue, couldn't walk, so I needed some time to heal up before I could record this video, but let's get to it. Right. Remove the cards first, look at that later. Alright, so shirt number 1. Oh, cool. An Adam Copeland shirt. That looks really nice, actually. That's a really cool logo. I love it. That's awesome. Okay, cool. There's something on top of it. Oh, a Danhausen patch. Cute. Okay, shirt number 2. This is a very cool FTR shirt. I actually really like all of their shirts that I've gotten from the boxes. They're really cool. It's nice, and I love that it's black, obviously. Excellent. Okay. Oh, cute. Okay, it says Luchasaurus. You can call him Killswitch, whichever you prefer. They go back and forth. That's very cool. I really like the design on the mask on that one, too. He's our scumbag, MJF. Yay. I love that the logo is like the Burberry like design on it too. It's cute. This. Scissors.
Does it say anything on it?
No. Oh, wait. It says the Acclaimed, like right there. It's hard. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not.
No, I don't.
It's right here. And like the
yeah,
metal
it's
part.
hard to focus on it.
That's cute. Okay, that's the poster. I don't open that yet. Pencils for Sanjay Dutt. I love pencils. I actually only use pencils. I don't like pens, so that works perfectly for me. And poster. So it's the 60-minute Ironman match, MJF versus Bryan Danielson. I don't want to open the whole thing because I'm worried I'm going to rip it for some reason. But very cool. Aww. I like that there's a lot of MJF stuff in this one. Okay, so it looks like it's like another flag thing.
Is it Samoa Joe?
Yes, it is. That's very cool. That's awesome. I love that. It's easier from your angle to see these than it is from mine sometimes. Okay. I'll pack that back up in a second. Okay. Now the poster. See who it is. Oh, cute. Sky Blue.
Oh.
I love her. Sorry. I'm sure you want it.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Oh, I'm excited. Yay. That's awesome. That's exciting. All right, so that was the box this time. Like I've mentioned before, you can get these as a quarterly subscription, or you can do the subscription for the whole year. That works out a little bit cheaper for you. Got a lot of really great value. Obviously, as you can see, there's a lot of really cool merchandise in there, stuff that you can't buy anywhere else. You can't get the shirts on Pro Wrestling Tees. You can't do anything like that unless you get this subscription. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.